Hi students, in this video I am going to explain about how to install Python program into our mobile phones. In our previous video I shown how to install Python program in the computer or laptop. In this video I am going to explain about how to install Python program into our mobile phones. So now I am going to show how to install the Android phone, the same procedure for the in our Apple phone. Okay, just go to the Play Store. Okay, in that Play Store just type pyt, so Pythroid. Okay, just the actually Pythroid, actually the word pyd, sorry, you need to type pydr. Okay, Pythroid. So Pythroid 3 IDE for Python 3. Just install the software. Now the software is installing in the mobile phone, and this is a very easy, and you don't want to go for any computer or anything. Even you can practice your Python program from your mobile phone. Whenever you are free, you can install the Python program in your mobile phone. You can do your practice. Okay, so particularly our session, I am very serious about the practical program. Okay, you need to do the more practical in the Python program. Just now install, open it. Now see that installation process, it will start. So installation going on, percentage is increasing. Now once reached 100%, now your Python program is ready to use. Now alhamdulillah, now Python is ready. Now just I will show the simple example. For example, print print of, okay, 3. Just I will now maximize. Okay, just print of 3. Here, see here, there's run symbol. Just run it and see answer 3 is coming. Okay, so this is a simple program, and Python is very easy compared to other programming language. Suppose you want to add 3 plus 4, close it, run the program. See, the answer is 7 is coming. This is a very simple program compared to other program languages. Python is very simple program. So from the next video I am going to explain about how to start the Python program. I am going to explain about variables and strings in the Python program, and this is very helpful. And please install your Python program either your computer or in your mobile phone for your practice. Okay, thank you, see you next time.